So this is Highway 96 in Custer County. All right, I'm inside Hardscrabble Canyon, and this waterfall is really flowing after 3 days of rainfall. Often it's just barely running with water. Okay. Now I'm gonna cross the street right here. Usually when I drive past this area right here, it's just it's just a little bit of water. But right now, this is a legitimate, this is amazing. So I'm naming it Highway 96 Waterfall. By the way, here's the view going downhill towards Wetmore and Pueblo. Okay, it's a really pretty area here. And that's in the direction that would lead to Westcliff and Silver Cliff. And the creeks are running. The creeks are just running here. This is crazy. So, really beautiful. This reminds me of the waterfalls in Oregon that I visited. Quite a drop here. All right, we're gonna take a couple steps. Oh, woohoo! Oh yeah, it's amazing. That's amazing. You take a few more steps. Highway 96 Waterfall, right here. Oh yeah. Beautiful waterfall right here. There's a car. I'm gonna take a few steps. I'm gonna go over there because the view is good from that spot. And here's the view from this angle. Really pretty. So, again, if you drive by here, most of the year, you might just see a small trickle of water coming down, if you're lucky. You know, if it's been kind of wet. But this is magnificent. So, all right, signing off from Hardscrabble Canyon in Custer County. I think this guy is stopping to admire the waterfall too. All right. Thank you for watching. Make it a great day. Make it a great day in the mountains.